How to message host in your Airbnb app. Let's get started. Launch your Airbnb app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the Explore page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of trips. This will take you to a list of your upcoming and past reservations. Find the reservation for which you want to contact the host. Tap on it to open the details of the booking. At the moment, I haven't made any of the reservations, so it is not showing anything over here. But in the case you have made the reservation, you just have to click on that. Then write your message in the text box. Be clear and concise with your questions or information you need to convey. Once your message is ready, tap on the send button. Hosts typically respond promptly, but response times can vary. Keep an eye on your Airbnb app for notifications or check back in the messaging section for the replies. By following these steps, you can easily get in touch with your Airbnb host for any questions or additional information you might need. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily message host in your Airbnb app. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.